So we are going over the maintenance for your STIHL head trimmer attachment. You're going to need three items. First is your STIHL grease, WD-40, and your STIHL multi-tool. In order to grease it, there's two grease points. There's one up top. This is going to be for the swivel action. The second part is your main grease gear head. To grease it, you get your multi-tool, spin this bolt off, check if there's grease inside there. If you see grease, it's fine. If you don't, then you want to put some in. You take your STIHL grease. This is going to screw right into your multi-tool. Once you feel it tight in there, go ahead, squeeze some grease in there. Based on how much you all need, you could use a whole tube, a half a tube. Squeeze until you can't put any more in there. Unscrew it. Cap back on. Make sure to put this screw back on. Just hand tight on it. Take your WD-40, spray both sides of your blade. From here, every few months, also check your white connection piece to see if you have to change this out. The hedge trimmer is going to be greased once every 3 months or once every 25 hours of use. That's it.